So I guess we'll start by taking all these little screws out. Or pulling them out. And you can take this cover off. And get this one out. Then there's screws in here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And maybe we can get this up. Oh boy. Okay. I flipped it upside down. There's some sensors you gotta unplug in here. So I guess I'll just clean it up. Inspect it. Alright, I guess I gotta start unplugging this. Take those screws out. Lift the board out. Well, I got the 4 screws out to look under there, and I think I see the batteries in there, and you can't get to them. So I might have taken this all apart for nothing. Probably just have to take these 2 little screws out, and I'll bet you the battery falls right out. So anyway, while I got it all apart, I'm going to clean it up, and then I'll put it back together and start over. Well, now that it's all back together again, this is the robot. I need to flip this over, and I guess we take these 2 screws out to get to the battery. So we'll try that. So they are Phillips. It's really small. So I'll just try and get these out. Get this one here, and then this one here. I got the screws out. Just pop this out. And that's where the batteries are. So just pull this out. Wow. And get a new replacement for this. Looks like it just unplugs here. And this is the information on it. Let's see if I can get one on Amazon.